Alright, so since we're going to be putting up new walls, need something to shoot you down at the bottom because it kind of sits up in this groove up top, metal here. There's nothing on the bottom, so I know the paneling's going flush with all this. I'll bump my level up against this. Set this piece in the hole. And we saved all the screws that came out of this trailer. Pretty much all the stuff that was on the floor. I'm just going to reuse them and put them back in the floor. We got a salvage yard where we get most of the reclaimed wood or wood, and we were looking at these this morning, and they were $1 a piece.
And I said, "Do you want to get some?"
And I said, "No,
yeah, no,
not
there's
yet."
one. There's one right there.
Oh yeah, we're using it. So, I guess the moral to the story is, you know, listen to your girlfriend, listen to your wife. So if I would have listened to her, I would have had some extra. $18 to center off the finished floor. Kind of per code. It needs to be up that for any water on the floor or anything like that. So we are going to, and I used my box as my template, made sure it was square. I'm going to use this Dremel. It'll secure it just like that.
Is there one on the bottom too?
Yep.
Nice.
All right. Well, it's about about 12:30 Sunday. I'll be doing some framing today. So we have stuff to attach our walls to when we reinstall the new walls in the trailer. So I'll show you what I've done so far this morning. So right now I'm putting down some tracks so we can shoot down at least the the bottom part of the wood here, and we already got wood up here so I can shoot to. And what I'm using to help is I've cut a little jig, a little 1x1 tomato stake. So it fits here and here, so I got it to fit there and then to down there. And then what I do is I take my level and I put it on here. I'll make sure at the point that it's level. And as you can see, it's fairly level there. Actually, it's pretty darn level. There we go. And I'll do that all the way across. And then we're going to put some, I bought some L brackets to put some cross members in so we could shoot it in a couple areas. So we'll shoot it, right here, 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 here. So let me get this going because I'm all by myself today, and I'll show you the progress here in a little bit. Okay, so I went to Home Depot this morning and I got these 1.5" corner braces. I got a bunch of them, and as you can see here, I got all the wood laid down to shoot down the bottom. Got the side over there. I got to add a piece of wood over here to this corner to add in. But as you can see, there's one brace in there, And we got the little L brackets. So now I'll have something to shoot to. And prior to putting the wood up, I'm going to make a mark on the floor right here so I know where center is. I'm actually going to make a mark here just so I know where center is, so when I go to put the paneling on, I know to shoot right there. And we'll add one in the middle and one down there at that end, so we'll have 3 braces in here, and then she'll be ready for paneling. So anyway, I'm making those strips out of this OSB board that we had bought and treated and painted with kills. Alright, so we're making them 2 inches wide. Already marked out a bunch on here. Let's go ahead and cut them. .22 1/8 height. Perfect. This side, using that just to make sure it's nice and even to the bottom of my. We got some little 1/2-inch screws just to screw them in. It's not, we don't need a bunch, just enough, or longer, just enough to hold it in place. Try to hit these little screws and push them down in the middle, that way it doesn't readjust my area. Boom, nice and flush. Alright, set. There we go. 13 people, nice and flush. Okay, cut the second panel. Got the hole for the receptacle box. Pre-fitted it. Fits pretty good in there. Now we're fixing to nail it up. I think that's going to look really good when it's painted. There it goes. Woohoo! Oh. Another mark. Residential guys are a little bit faster at this than I am, but we use all metal boxes and knockouts. Wall's ready for putty. paint. And alright, there's 2 panels down. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. And that held up real nicely. Nice and on there.